Hey there, welcome to Writers ER. Today we're tackling something super cool, yet a bit scary for many, turning that giant dissertation of yours into a real live book. Picture this, your name on a shiny cover, sharing what you know with folks everywhere. Sounds dreamy, right? Well, it's totally doable, and we're here to show you how. Step 1. What's the heart of your dissertation? Think about the big, juicy idea in your dissertation. That's what your book should zoom in on. Books need to grab all sorts of readers, not just the brainy bunch in your field. Step 2. Who do you want to read your book? Your dissertation spoke to a pretty specific crowd. Your book, though? It can chat with anyone from pros in your area to curious cats who just love to learn. Figure out who's going to love your book the most. Step 3. Trim and tidy your work. Your dissertation is packed with info, but let's be real. Not all of it needs to make it into your book. Keep the gold and cut the rest. You might need to simplify some stuff or add new bits to keep readers hooked. Step 4. Get some fresh eyes on it. Nothing beats a second opinion. Chat with friends, mentors, or anyone willing to give you honest feedback. It's like finding hidden treasures in your work you never noticed before. Oh, and if you dig what we do, hit that like and subscribe button. Sharing is caring, and it helps us help more awesome scholars like you. Step 5. Learn the book biz. Publishing a book is a whole different game. Get the scoop on how it all works, from crafting a killer book proposal to figuring out the deal with publishers and agents. Step 6. Craft a winning book proposal. This is your chance to shine. Tell publishers why your book is the next big thing, who's going to read it, and why you're the perfect person to write it. Make it snappy and make it shine. Step 7. To self-publish or not. Think about whether you want to go solo or team up with a publisher. Doing it yourself means more control and maybe more cash, but publishers can get your book out there like nobody's business. Step 8. Shout it from the rooftops. No matter how you publish, you got to get the word out. Use social media, go to talks, do whatever it takes to let the world know your book is coming. Step 9. Polish till it sparkles. A great book is all in the details. Consider getting an editor to help make your words shine. You want your book to be the best it can be, after all. Step 10. Looks matter. People do judge books by their covers, and the inside counts too. A pro designer can make your book look as good as it reads. Step 11. The home stretch. Got a publisher going solo? Either way, there's a bunch to do before your book hits the shelves. Stay on top of things, and soon you'll have that book in your hands. Step 12. Talk about your book. Once your book is out, don't be shy. Do talks, sign books, chat with readers online. The more you connect, the more your book finds its fans. And there you have it. Turning your dissertation into a book is a big adventure. But think of the stories you'll tell. What's got you scratching your head about making your book a reality? Drop your questions or thoughts below. We love hearing from you. And remember, if this video got you pumped about publishing, don't forget to like, share, and hit that subscribe button. Let's get your wisdom out there in the world, one page at a time.